Imagine a home that's a little bit New York, a little bit Charleston, and a whole lot of Asheville. Welcome to 75 Broadway. With an unparalleled attention to detail, no effort has been spared to create a luxurious, relaxing, and comfortable home. Chef's Kitchen. This is a dream kitchen for every cook. And from this luxurious master suite, enjoy the sights, sounds, and the landscape of the city and the beautiful mountains beyond. This fully furnished home also includes a 4-space, climate-controlled parking garage with storage on the main level. This home is truly the merge of the ideals of modern luxury with the history and excitement of a mountain city lifestyle. Offered for the first time, this one-of-a-kind downtown condominium sets the stage for your enjoyment.